Welcome back, my subscribers, so glad you could join us again. Ever wonder about the persistent discomfort on your right side that refuses to subside? Or why your sight appears blurry during the night? These could be potential indicators of liver damage. Yes, it can be shocking, but it's true, liver damage. In this comprehensive guide, we will explore 12 unusual signs and symptoms associated with liver damage. The significance of recognizing these signs cannot be overstated, as it plays a pivotal role in curbing the disease progression. The good news is, the liver possesses an astounding ability to regenerate given the right support and care. Liver disease is increasingly becoming a global health issue, impacting a staggering 25% of the world's population, and this number continues to rise at an alarming rate. Although it is a common misconception, liver damage isn't exclusively related to excessive alcohol intake. There are several other that contribute to its deterioration. A diet high in sugar or processed foods and drinks can overburden the liver. Overindulgence in omega-6 vegetable oils and fast foods can also have a similar effect, leading to liver damage. The liver is our body's primary detoxifying organ, but repeated exposure to environmental toxins such as pesticides and plastics can lead to its dysfunctionality. Moreover, frequent usage of certain painkillers like acetaminophen or ibuprofen can inflict harm on the liver, as these drugs are metabolized in the liver. It's important to note that these signs and symptoms are not always apparent. In many instances, they may not even show up until the disease has progressed significantly. Therefore, it's essential to pay attention to the signals your body sends and take proactive steps towards maintaining liver health. Moving forward, we will guide you on a deep dive into the realm of liver health and unravel the signs of liver damage. Stay tuned until the end, as we also unveil some effective home remedies that can naturally cleanse the liver and forestall further damage. So sit tight as we embark on this information-packed journey to understand better how to keep our liver healthy. Stay tuned until the end as we reveal some natural home treatments that can cleanse the liver and prevent further damage. First on our list is pale stools. This particular sign is incredibly crucial when it comes to detecting potential liver damage. The role of your liver in the digestion process is significant. It releases bile acids that help break down the fats present in the food you consume. These bile acids are responsible for providing the characteristic brown color to your stool. However, if your liver is damaged, it may fail to release these bile acids efficiently. As a result, your stool may appear to be paler, even have a clay-like color. In addition, these lighter stools also tend to float due to the undigested fats that they contain. Now, let's move on to the second sign, poor night vision. You might have noticed that with age, your ability to focus or see clearly during the nighttime might become impaired. However, this could be more than just an age-related issue. It could be indicative of a vitamin A deficiency. The bile produced in your liver plays a significant role in helping your body absorb vitamin A. This vitamin is fundamentally essential for your eyes, assisting them to adapt to various light levels. Hence, liver disease can often lead to a bile deficiency, which in turn can lead to a condition known as night blindness. Following this, the third sign that we need to delve into is a swollen right foot. It is a physiological fact that when blood doesn't circulate regularly through your liver, it can cause this vital organ to swell and enlarge. This abnormal enlargement puts pressure on the portal vein, which can lead to fluid accumulating in the lower extremities like the legs or feet. If you've noticed that your right foot and ankle appear more swollen in comparison to the left, it's a common sign of liver damage. Next up, we have white eyelid growths. These are tiny formations of cholesterol deposits that can start building under your skin. This alarming symptom occurs due to your liver's inability to break down cholesterol properly, leading to these unsightly growths that can be alarming. The fifth sign to look out for is right-sided pressure. This could manifest as a consistent feeling of pressure or even pain on the right side of your rib cage. This sensation might be especially noticeable after you've consumed a meal. It could be an indication that your liver's bile is morphing into sludge because of liver damage. It's essential to remember that these signs are not to be taken lightly. They are indicators of a serious condition that needs immediate attention. If you notice any of these symptoms, consult with your healthcare provider right away. On a positive note, liver damage isn't a life sentence. It's crucial to understand that your liver health is not a permanent condition. In other words, you have the power to alter its course. With appropriate medical intervention and a shift in your daily lifestyle, it's entirely feasible to arrest the progression of the disease and to reverse the inflicted harm. This could include a healthier diet, regular exercise, and reducing alcohol intake. Proactively caring for your liver ensures its optimal performance. Stay healthy, stay informed, and remember, your health is in your hands. That's it for our deep dive into liver damage. If you found this video helpful, we urge you to share it with your loved ones. It might just be the wake-up call they need to start taking their liver health seriously. And if you have any questions or insights, please leave a comment below. We love hearing from you. Don't forget to hit the like button if you learned something new today, and subscribe to our channel for more health-related content. We're committed to helping you understand your body better so that you can make informed decisions about your health. Stay informed, stay healthy. Until next time, goodbye.